Hello everyone, it's Kay. As you know, for years I've talked about the importance of backtesting, especially for traders who want to build confidence, discipline, and a repeatable edge. But today I want to go a little deeper because backtesting alone is not enough. What truly improves your strategy is not the testing, it's the analysis after testing and the kaizen cycle of refining your strategy step by step. And recently, I had a pretty amazing experience with Forex online during my Black Friday testing. So I thought this is the perfect timing to show you how I backtest, how I analyze the data, and how I kaizen improve my strategy, and how Forex Tester Online actually helped me improve my Ichimoku logics. So I will show you two real backtesting reports I created. The version 1 is original Ichimoku logics with 20 trades, and version 2 is improved version after applying the suggestions from Forex Tester Online, which I made 16 trades. Same pair, same time frame, and same time period, but very different results. So let's get started. If you have been following my YouTube channel, then you already know I never trade a strategy that I don't fully understand. Most traders backtest with the goal of finding a profitable strategy, but professional traders backtest for a different reason. We backtest to study our weaknesses. We backtest to see the behavior patterns, and we backtest to sharpen our decision-making processes. And this is where so many people fall short. They run 10, 20, 30 backtest trades, they see win rate, they see the profit factor, and they say, okay, looks good enough. But consistency does not come from the results. Consistency comes from data-driven improvement. This is why kaizen is so important. In Japanese, we say hibi kaizen, means daily improvement. When you apply kaizen to trading, your edge compounds week by week. And Forex Tester Online is the perfect tool for doing this. So now let me show you the first backtest I did. This is the backtesting based on one of my Ichimoku logics. Nothing too fancy, but structured. I tested pound JPY over the same exact time period I used later for version 2. So here are the results of the version 1. I took 20 total trades, and let me show you the stats in a moment. Okay, so the net profit was $1897.45 out of $10,000 account. The profit factor was 1.50, and win rate was 30%. Win rate was 30%, losing rate was 70%. My max drawdown was 1,330, and registration factor was 1.42, and that was a result of total trades of 20. Now here's what these numbers tell me as a professional trader. Profit factor 1.5, acceptable, but unstable. Win rate 30% is not bad by itself, but since I'm a trend follow trader, and negative points were the drawdown. 1,333 is too large for only 20 trades, and losing streak is 8. Losing streaks, consecutive loss trades, 8 was dangerous. Reliability factor 0.15, which tells me it needs improvement. And most importantly, something was producing too many low quality trades. When you see 20 trades in less than 9 months of data, that's fine. But when 14 out of 20 are losses, you have to stop and review. This is where most traders give up. But professional traders go deeper. So I opened the Forex online analysis panel, and this is where things got interesting. And this is a feature I wanted to highlight today because honestly, I didn't expect to be this useful. After running the first backtest, the Forex Tester Online suggested multiple improvement areas. It says points to improve, and there are actually 7 areas I can improve. It actually suggests some strengths of the strategy. So these are the things that you never want to change, but what you want to focus is the points to improve. So to highlight, it basically mentioned the trade frequency be too high in non-losing zones, and stop loss is too wide relative to ATR levels, exit timing inefficiently in weak trends, and trend filter confirmation is too early, and also risk-reward inconsistent during the volatile zones. This is exactly the type of feedback that most traders never think about. And most people look at the win rate and the profit factor, but they never evaluate, for example, the quality of the signals and logical accuracy and volatility conditions, drawdown structure, and robustness of risk and reward ratio. Forex Online breaks this down beautifully like this. It's like having an experienced mentor who reviews your system for you. And those suggestions helped me see something really clearly. That is, my strategy needed a stronger filtering mechanism. Nothing major, just small tweaks. This is the heart of kaizen improvement. Small adjustments create huge improvement over time. So let me show you what happened after those adjustments. On version 2, I made the improvements of refined trend filter and tightened stop loss logics based on ATR, and removed low quality signals and improved exit timing and reduced false entries during consolidation. Then I ran the test again on the exact same dataset. And here are the results of version 2. Let me show it to you. I click on the analytics and scroll down. Then this is the stats of version 2. Net profit became 2041.5, higher profit with fewer trades, and profit factor improved to 2.38, which is huge improvement, and win rate became 38%, which is also up from 30% before, and max drawdown became 625.05, which is more than 50% reduction, and restoration factor became 3.27, which is more than doubled, and reliability factor became 0.38, which is improved a lot, and with a total trades of 16 trades. So this result is a textbook example of less is more. I always teach this in Ichimoku. Quality makes money and quantity loses money. Many traders think taking more trades means more opportunities, but in reality, more trades, more mistakes. More mistakes, bigger drawdown. And bigger drawdown, emotional damage. And emotional damage, inconsistent performance. So reducing the number of trades from 20 to 16 while increasing the total net profit, that is a sign of the refined strategy. And this is only one cycle of improvement. Imagine doing this every month and you become unstoppable. So there are 3 important lessons from this experiment. Number 1, data shows you what your eyes cannot see. Even as a professional trader, I don't trust my feeling. I trust the numbers. Forex Test Online tracks trade sequences, drawdown behavior, and consecutive losses, and stability, and efficiency, and volatility performance. This is how you remove bias. And number 2 is small refinements create big improvements. The strategy was not built from zero. I kept the same Ichimoku logics. I just refined timing and filtering and trend validation and ATR-based stop logics. And suddenly, the whole system became more stable. And this is kaizen. And number 3 is a good backtesting tool saves years of mistakes. If I traded version 1 in a real account, I would have experienced larger drawdown, unnecessary losses, and emotional stress and slower growth. But with the simulator, I solved these issues before risking the real money. And good tools accelerate your mastery. You know, I have been trading full-time for more than 10 years now, and if I had this tool 10 years ago, I would have become profitable much earlier and become confident much earlier too. And here's why. Number 1, you can replay years of trading in days. Markets move slowly, but Forex tester moves at your pace. You can test 1 year of data in 1 hour, 10 years of data in 1 weekend. No real chart can teach you that fast. And number 2, instant statistical breakdown. After every backtest, you get win rate, profit factor, max drawdown, restoration, and reliability, and also trade distribution and sequence analysis. And now you even get AI-style improvement suggestions, and this is a game changer. And number 3, perfect for Ichimoku. Ichimoku is all about trend quality and momentum and the timing and also confirmation. So backtesting allows you to feel the rhythm of Ichimoku. You start to understand when Kumo is weak, when Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen becomes strong, when Chikou span becomes reliable, and when volatility is high, etc. You cannot learn this from books. You learn it from experience. And Forex Tester gives you that experience. In Japan, we say, 石の上にも3年, which means sit on the stone for 3 years. It means even a cold stone becomes warm if you sit on it long enough. Trading is like that. The strategy won't become strong in 1 week, but if you keep testing, keep improving, and keep applying kaizen, then your strategy becomes warmer, more clearer, and stronger, and unshakable. Forex Tester Online helped me warm the stone faster. And yes, Forex Tester Online is doing their Black Friday promotion right now. This is the biggest discount they offer all year. If you've been thinking about getting it, now is the perfect timing. I will leave the link below. I personally recommend to go with the Pro version with a historical data pack and strategy testing options. These are what I use for global trading school and my own strategy development. If you want to build a strategy that survives real markets, I really recommend using this tool. If you enjoy this breakdown, please like the video and please also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching the video, and let's continue to improve step by step. And I will see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. またね. Thanks so much.